y'all, it's Ann from What's Up Family Home, and today I have another collab for you. And this one is an Easter collab, and it's hosted by Desiree, aka Momma Friendly, and Ellie from DIY from House to Home Kitchen Edition, and we are doing Easter recipes. And we can either do potluck recipes or desserts, and I'm going to do a couple desserts. Really easy, really kid friendly. And I hope you'll check out their channels. I'll have Desiree's and Ellie's channels linked below, as well as the playlist. So after you watch my video, watch Desiree's video and Ellie's video, and then watch the playlist. You'll get some great inspiration for your Easter celebration. So let's get started on these delicious recipes. All right, this first one is going to be like dirt cakes, but it's going to be in little cups. And I'm using lemon flavor, so I've got lemon cookies. I've got some sparkly little cups. Sorry, y'all, the grandkids are in the background. I've got some Peeps. I've got some Easter grass, some Jello, and some robin eggs. And I'm going to go ahead and mix up the Jello as per package directions. All right, y'all. I've got my pudding mixed up. I've got those cookies crumbled up. So now I'm going to take my cup and I'm going to fill it with the pudding. And you don't have to use homemade pudding or one from a box. You could buy your own pudding and either keep it in the containers, or you could put it in a cup like this. But I'm just going to fill it almost full with your pudding mix. And I'm going to take the crumbled up cookies. I tried one out and did it. The recipe says to do it after you put the peep on there, but that was harder than it sounds, so I'm going to wait and do it like this. Now I'm going to take the peep, put it in the middle, and I've got this Easter grass, it's bubble gum, so I'm going to use that as the grass. Just lay that in there. This bubblegum grass smells really good. I think the strings are a little bit long. The next one I'd probably cut them or tear them in half. Okay, and then I got the robin eggs. And I'm just going to lay those around the cup. You've got a cute little treat that kids will love. I think it turned out really good. And you can also use the bunny ones, but I like these little yellow ones. The little regular Peeps. So, and I know Jackson and Jonah love them. So, this is our first little treat. This is the second one I'm going to do, and maybe a third. I'm going to try them both and see which ones work, or if they both work. But I have got some Rice Krispie treats. These are still warm. I just made them, and I'm taking like little bits of it, not a whole lot, and I'm putting in some a sprayed muffin tin. I sprayed the back of my spoon, and I'm just making little nests here. I think this is going to work out really good, and I love Rice Krispie treats. Y'all don't even know. So I hope these work. So I know Jonah and Jackson will love them when they come over today. So I'm just going to make all these little nests, and I'm going to put them in the refrigerator and let them cool down. All right, y'all, I've got these and they're set up. So now we're going to try and get them out of the muffin tins. So let's see. Oh, yeah. Oh, my goodness, this is going to work, y'all. I'm just going to get 2 of them out. That is cute. All right, I'm going to try maybe decorate them a little bit different. Let's go ahead and put some of the gummy grass in there, or the bubblegum grass. And this stuff, I don't know why, it smells so good. Let me get you a little bit closer. Let's get you a little bit closer. And I'm going to I've got 2 different kinds of eggs, the robin's eggs and the gummy eggs. And these are, I think, cuter than the robin eggs. So you can put some in there. and just make it like that. It's like a little egg, and I thought I probably need more grass in there to make it a little bit cuter, but this is adorable. I might have to make some of these for Jackson's class. So let's try this. Let's put some grass in there. And maybe even do a peep. Look how cute that is. You could put maybe some of these eggs on the bottom and have the little peeps sitting on there. The little chick, look at that. How cute is that? That's adorable. Your kids could help you do this. They could help you make the Rice Krispie treats and everything. Look, how adorable is that? And it was so easy. How cute. All right, y'all, I took some other Rice Krispie treats, and I had some of these Popsicle Sticks left from my failed attempt at cake pop. So I'm going to try to make some little suckers or things like that with this. I saw a video, someone doing it, so I'm going to try it. It might not work out, but I've got my little squares, which I wish I would have probably just bought the little squares already because these are still kind of soft, but I melted some yellow candy melts, so I'm just going to put some of that on the bottom. I probably should use some kind of a knife or a spoon. See, that's not holding up either. So I don't know why it's not getting on the side. See, it's too soft, but I'm gonna go ahead and set it on my plate, and I'm gonna add some of these cute little sprinkles to the bottom. Which, all right, that's the problem I had last time, was the stick not sticking. So I'm going to put these back in the freezer and let them set up a little more. Some different sprinkles on this one. They're little bunnies. How cute is that? All right, y'all. This one, I finally got to set up. I put the little grass on the bottom and put the sprinkles on there, and I added a little peep. I don't know if I like that, but it's already stuck there, so I think kids would love that. Even though it's getting a little warm again, so the stick's coming out. I would definitely use the pre-made Rice Krispie treats. These are not setting up like I would like, but this is adorable, and next time I will definitely make this again. I just will not use homemade Rice Krispie treats or put them in the freezer for a long, long time. But I think it turns out pretty cute. And the video I saw, she put like a little chocolate bunny up here with some chocolate back there. So I might do that too. But I think it turned out really cute. Just use store-bought Rice Krispie treats or put them in the freezer and get them really, really hard. I put this one in the freezer, and I'm going to try this with the green. And I think my candy melts are not that great because they don't melt that great, even with some of the shortening. If you put shortening in there, it usually works out really good. And now I'm going to try the green color. See, the stick still won't stay in there, and I'm going to put some sprinkles on there. And I'm going to throw on a little bit of the grass. And I think that is really cute. Take a little bit of the grass off. And you can see, maybe put a little bit more of the sprinkles on there. I'm going to go on this side and put some of those sprinkles on there. I think it's really cute, and I'm just going to let that set up. Y'all, I really like these little pops. It took a while to get them to set up, but I really, really like these things, and I can't wait to show the boys. I know they're going to love all this. I've got the little Rice Krispie Pops. Make sure you either buy them from the store or make sure you get them really good and hardened before you use them, but these turned out so good. And the little Rice Krispie little nest with the eggs in there, they turned out amazing as well. The little pudding cup with the Peeps and the little eggs in there, and the edible grass, it's chewing gum. And I really am excited about this. It's turned out really cute. I want to thank Desiree and Ellie for hosting. I really enjoyed this. This is so cute, and I can't wait for Jackson and Jonah to eat these. They're going to love them. And I will have Desiree and Ellie's channels linked below, as well as a playlist. So make sure you go like and subscribe to everyone and watch the videos. And I hope you all have a wonderful Easter with your family and friends, and I'll see you in the next video.